Okay, we have a Clausing-Metosa gap bed engine lathe, model C2087. It's got 20-inch swing, 30-inch in the gap by 87-inch centers. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Sony 2-axis digital readout. Oh, we're running at a low RPM. It's from 45 to 1600 RPM. That's the lowest speed, 45 forward and reverse. Machine has a nice hole as well. It's 3 and 5 30-seconds hole. D18 cam lock spindle. It's a faster speed. Forward and reverse. It's the TRO. We're going to show some feeds and stuff. It's a much higher speed. Right now we are, is that feed or thread? Feed. Feeding, you can see it on the digital readout. Cross feed, you also see it on the digital readout. We're stopping, we're going to slow it down a little bit. Slowed it down, now we're running the lead screw. We're going to engage the half nut. And we are threading. Machine also has a quick change tool post, a 4-jaw chuck, which is on the floor right there, and a steady rest, live center in the tailstock. That's the tailstock being moved out, which is a number 5 Morse taper. Okay, hey, I think you've seen the video. So serial number of the machine is 27003. Thanks for watching.